is the gate that we're going to remove and replace today with our new beautiful aluminum gate. And I mean, you can see that this has been here for a while, and it's some little bit of a patch job, you know, some separate panels that were kind of fitted together. Not the greatest looking gate. The pedestrian gate here is a little nicer, but not a great fit. So today we're going to put an end to that. This is Ron with Mulholland Security, and we're here in Santa Monica on Main Street. I'm sorry about the noise, but this installation is now complete. This is again one of our aluminum gates. Ideal here for the beach area because it's not going to rust. It's still very sturdy and it's lightweight. Came out really, really pretty. Beautiful lines. Everything is nice and clean. This is the driveway gate, and we also have the small pedestrian gate here. They're both electrified. The pedestrian gate can open either with a key or through a code on the keypad. I'm going to press that code right now. You hear the little click, and then we just pull it open. We installed a door closer right here, so it closes automatically and latches. And then the main gate has a keypad here. Obviously all the tenants has remotes as well, so we're going to punch in a code on this, and there it goes. And we'll walk into the inside and show you what it looks like from the inside. This is the operator. This is a rack and pinion style operator, so no chain on this. These operators, even though tiny, are potent enough to move this kind of gate. This now works on a timer. We gave it about 25-second timer from the time that it's fully open to the time that it's closed. Here is a look on the pedestrian gate from the inside. And the gate will now close and come to a closed position as it should right about now. Yeah, here it comes. So again, a very nice, very clean, quiet operation, and a whole new look for this parking lot. It came out just beautiful. I'm very proud of this installation, and we're done here. Ron for Mulholland Security in Santa Monica, California.